The Ka-52 Alligator helicopter is an attack helicopter that combines advanced technology and high combat capabilities. Manufactured by the Russian aviation company Kamov, the Ka-52 is one of the world's leading attack helicopters. The Ka-52 Alligator helicopter was developed as a replacement for the Mi-24 Hind attack helicopter, which has served Russia for decades. Development of the Ka-52 began in the mid-1990s, and a prototype first flew in 1997. After a series of tests and improvements, the Ka-52 was officially adopted by the Russian Air Force in 2011. Technical specifications, dimensions and weight. Length, 16.05 meters. Height, 4.93 meters. Rotor width, 14.5 meters. Empty weight, 7,700 kilograms. Maximum weight, 10,800 kilograms. Engine, speed and mileage. Ka-52 Alligator helicopter powered by two Kamov VK-2500 turboshaft engines with a thrust of 2,400 horsepower each. Maximum speed, 350 km per hour, cruising speed, 270 km per hour. Can cover a distance of up to 1,100 km with a full fuel tank. Combat capabilities, weapons, electronic systems, protective equipment and also maneuverability. Weapon. The Ka-52 Alligator helicopter is equipped with a variety of weapons including anti-tank missiles, air-to-air missiles and heavy-caliber cannons. Electronic system. Modern avionics and radar systems provide high search and tracking capabilities, including the ability to detect air and ground targets at long distances. Protective equipment. It uses advanced technology to increase its survival rate, including protection systems from missiles and attacks as well. Maneuverability. With a tandem rotor design, two rotors in a row, the Ka-52 has high maneuverability, allowing for various types of missions, including direct attacks and strikes. Operational role. The Ka-52 Alligator is designed for a variety of operational roles, including direct attack, reconnaissance, and support of ground forces. This helicopter is capable of operating in various weather conditions and terrain, making it very flexible in carrying out military missions. Thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next interesting content.